Hi, we're here at the Disney Yacht and Beach Club, and we are staying in a 2-bedroom suite. I wanted to show you around. This is our family room. Some nice marble flooring. Window to the courtyard. A view of the lake. Hi, Jack.
We're at the hotel room.
Yeah, show me around.
So here is the bathroom.
This whole thing is just a bathroom.
Yes.
Let's see
and
what's...
here is Mama's bedroom.
Pretty normal in there, but amazing.
And here's the bedroom.
Here's the bedroom. This is just one of our balconies. Oh, a balcony of the pool. You guys, we can see the pool.
Okay, so that's the pool.
And the pool is called Stormalong Bay.
Yeah. Well, you guys cannot go in the water. Otherwise, the camera will stop working.
That's right. Don't take the camera in the water. You can see the boardwalk from here.
You guys can only do it in the...
Ooh, we can hear the thunder too. How pretty is that?
Can we go in the pool now?
We can't go in now. The pool is empty because of the thunder and lightning. Alright, let's keep looking around. And here's the other bedroom with the other king-size bed.
And what's the other thing? Want to see inside this other one?
Yeah. Okay, try again.
Ouch.
Okay, be careful. There's that door right there.
So here's the other one, and look, you could still see the pool. Looks like there's a boat.
Ooh, the boats. Maybe we could take a boat out. And that boat takes you from our hotel to the boardwalk. Emmy, come on out. Do you like it here?
Mama. Hey, Ma.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wet? There's thunderstorms in the area, and we're just waiting for them to clear up so we can go swimming. What kind of notes are you taking, Emmy? Okay.
There's a pirate water slide. There's a pool. We're gonna go in it in just a few minutes. Cause it starts thundering. See guys, you don't hear thunder. And there's another hotel over there. It's a Duck Pond Hotel, and I think I just got a raindrop.
You did?
Is it still raining now?
It might be sprinkling a little bit. Emmy.
Oh.
Hi.
Hey Mom, we gotta be the first ones in the pool. Let's go. Okay kids, so we are going to the pool now. You cannot wait to see it. There's like a lot of pools. Let me show you guys. Okay kids, so we're gonna go about into the pool. We're gonna get in the stroller. And usually that's my seat, but Emmy uses it. And here's some glass table things. And look at the wall.
Makes no difference who you are. Anything your heart desires will come to you. If your heart is in your dream, no request is too extreme.
The arcade.
Okay, let's go to the arcade.
I like the arcade.
Okay, honey.
Can I just watch the arcade on a TV show?
You gonna watch the Arcade on TV show?
I did already.
Yeah? Cool.